Okay, next is question number 7. Okay, so what it says, tan inverse this one, you have to write this one in a simple form. Okay, simplify this one, that is the question. Now to simplify this one, you can see this is tan inverse. Inside, if I would have tan of some angle, then easily I can use the identity, right? Tan inverse tan theta, if it is, then theta will be the answer. But the problem is this one is something else other than tan theta or tan x or something like that, right? So my aim will be, this is tan inverse, I will try to make this one in terms of tan. Now how you will make that? For that you have to simplify, right? In the last question we have done substitution. Now here no need to substitute. You can see only already cos x, trigonometry function is there. So there is a chances that I can make tan function here, right? Now the question is how you will make. Now you can see this kind of identity we have already used in class 11. Which identity I will use here? 1 minus cos x. Remember cos double angle, twice of angle. What was the formula? Cos 2 theta. Two formula I have given. 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Another was, again in terms of cos also you can write this formula, right? 2 cos square theta minus 1. So try to see carefully. In this case this is without square, this is square. This is without square, this is square. You can see this is without square, right? Now see, whenever you have 1 minus cos x or 1 plus cos x, mostly we are going to use this identity. Okay, now see, inside square root it is moreover. Now if it is inside square root, 1 minus cos x I have to write in trigonometry function which is of square, so that will come out from the root. Otherwise inside square root it is very difficult to solve, right? So 1 minus cos x. Now you can see 1 is square. This is how you can understand which identity to use. This I have to make square. Some student used to get confused like this identity they used to think sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square if you bring, it will be 1 minus cos square theta. So they used to write sine square theta simply here. That is not the identity here. You can see this is without square. Okay, now whenever you have without square and you have to make square and 1 minus cos like this, so you can see this is the identity. Without square, square. Without square, square. Can you see? So see, in this case, if I bring this cos 2 theta that side, what you will get? Cos 2 theta is, if I bring that side, and 2 sine square theta if I bring this side, what you will get? 2 sine square theta. I have done this one in class 11 also. Okay, we have done actually. But the thing is, I know most of you don't remember this identity, so again you will need practice for that. Okay, so 2 sine square theta I brought this side, this I will bring this side. 1 minus cos 2 theta, and don't think it is tough. Practice, keep on practicing. This will be automatically will be easy for you guys also. Okay, so this, see here what I have done. Square I have kept alone, and without square, can you see these are without square? 1 minus this, 1 minus without square, 1 plus without square, 1 minus cos of 2 theta. Now here what it is? X. So I have to remove 2, right? So to remove 2, remember half angle, what I have to do? If this is 2 theta, this will be theta. If it is theta, this will be how much? Half. So in place of theta, let me write down directly x now. X. I hope it's clear. Half angle, remember. So this one now. Next, in terms of 1 plus now, right? So to make 1 plus, see this 1, if I bring this side, what it will be? 1 plus cos 2 theta, right? 1 plus without square cos 2 theta. Okay, 1 plus cos 2 theta. So sine 2 2 cos square, I will keep it here, and I will write x by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is cos x theta. Cos theta, if it is cos 2 theta, this is theta. If this is half of the, right, 2 theta means from 2 theta I'm writing x, means what? I'm writing half of that. So this also will become half, x by 2. Okay, so in place of 1 minus x, if I put 1 minus cos x, if I put 2 sine square x by 2, and in place of 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x by 2. So what you will get? 2 got cancelled. Sine square x will come out. Sine by cos, can you see? It become 10. Sine x by 2 by cos x by 2. So what I will get here? Tan inverse. This what I can write? Sine x by 2, cos x by 2. Can I write tan x by 2? Sine by cos is 10, right? Can you see how simple it become? It will be x by 2. Now last time I told you this angle, if it is within this range, then only we can write this one. Now here you don't have to check. Your NCERT book is made like that. They have already said you don't have to see for what value of x this will be satisfied. No need to see that. Okay, simply you write down. You don't have to check right now. Okay, anyway, if you want to check also, very simple. Here what it says, this inverse will exist when? If x lies between 0 to pi, right? Now this inverse will obviously exist, right? X by 2, will it lie between 0 to pi or not? Obviously, you can see x lie between 0 to pi. So x by 2 will lie between 0 to pi or not? Divide by 2 both sides. 0 by 2 is 0. So you can see x by 2 lies between pi by 2 and 0. So obviously it will lie between 0 to pi. Right? This is 180 degrees, this is 90 degree. X by 2 is less than 90 degree and greater than 0. And here what it say? X must lie between pi to 0. So obviously this also will lie within this range. Okay. So anyway, you don't have to check that one. Okay. Now here what was the important step? This was the important step here. How to convert this one into this one? Identity. That's why I said you need to know well. Okay. Without identity, it will be difficult for you. So try to see. Anyway, I will send you those identities also, which we have done in class 11 again. Okay. So some of you may forget all those things. So let me send you in terms of PDF. I will send. You just see from there. Okay. So next question will be question number 8. Okay, so in question number 8, what it says? You have to simplify this one again. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x cos x plus sin x. Again, same concept I will use. Tan inverse, I have to make here tan of something. If I can make, then it will become simple to solve, right? Now the question is how you will make tan. This is in terms of cos x minus x, cos x plus x. Now this kind of identity also I don't have. To make tan here, okay, if I divide everything, the numerator and denominator by cos, can I get 10 somewhere here? Okay, yes. Let's see by that. Now last time I told you, right, trigonometry is about trial method, right? You need to try with some identity. It's not that always you will get it, right? Now this kind of risk you cannot take in exam as well. So you need practice as well, okay? So let me divide this one with cos x. I don't know whether I will get answer or not, but what's my aim is to make here tan of something. So I'm just trying for that. Okay. So see if what is the advantage? Why I thought that better divide with cos x? Because see, if I divide everything numerator and denominator by cos x, what will happen? This will become 1, this will become, by cos means what? 10, right? 1 plus 10, everything will be in terms of 10. So see what will happen. This you will get tan inverse 1 minus 10x. Can I write? By 1 plus 10x. Now remember, you have identity like this. What was identity? A plus b. This kind of identity you have, right? Remember, a1, a minus b. Let me write down. What was the identity? 10a minus 10b by 1 minus 1 opposite sign. This is minus, then this will be plus 10a 10b. Remember, 10a 10b. Quite similar with that. You can see minus 10 something 10 something, 1 plus 10x. The only problem is this 1, right? Now in place of, see, 1, this 1, in place of 10a, what I will put such that I will get 1 here in terms of 10. This angle, if I put pi by 4, that is 45. 10 45 is how much? 1, right? If I put here 10 pi by 4 in place of a, pi by 4, what you will get? Means this a, if I make pi by 4. Okay, now this how I'm making judgment. This because I know the identities. If you also know the identities well, you can also make judgment like that. What you have to do here such that you will get the answer. Okay, and that will come with practice. Okay, so this, what I can write, 10 inverse, in place of 1 can I write 10 pi by 4. I have already come across with this kind of identity, so I'm trying to make this one identity. And after that, what I will write, this one I can write 10 pi by 4 plus b, right? So what is your b here? In place of b, x. Let me write down clearly this one. This is something like this, 10 pi by 4, this one 10 pi by 4 minus 10 of x by 1 plus 10 of x, 10 of pi by 4. It's like this, 10 of a minus 10b, 1 plus 10a, 10b. That form, right? And what is your ab here? This I can write, this one I can write equal to 10a, that is a is pi by 4 minus b, b is x. Can you see? So this one I can write 10 pi by 4 minus 10x, 1 plus 10 pi by 4 10x, right? So I'm just trying to make inside 10, that's it. 10 inverse, this one what I can write now, see, 10 pi by 4 minus x. Then 10 gone, 10 inverse 10 gone. What will be answer? Pi by 4 minus x. That's the answer. Simple question, right? But the thing is whether you know identity or not. And how I make start? Very simple. 10 inverse, inside I have to make 10. Now I don't know any. If you are no identity, try to use that and try to make 10 inside. Now I didn't know, so what I have done is I have seen that this is cos x, sin x. Now if I divide with cos x, this one, this will become 10 here, and this will become 1 minus 10. This will become 1 plus 10. Now dividing you cannot do only with numerator. Okay, whatever you are doing, you need to balance that one. Okay, extra whatever you are putting. So here I have put cos x, divide cos x here, so denominator also I have divide by cos x. So when I will divide, this will become cos by cos 1, sin by cos 10. Cos by cos 1, sin by cos 10. Now this looks like identity again. The moment, if you know this identity 10a plus 10b, the moment you will see this, you will get that idea, okay? It looks like that identity. What you will do, in that identity, here it was 10 of a. Now what I will put here such that it will become like 10a. 10 pi by 4. 10 pi by 4 is 1, we know that, okay? Now this is 10a, 10b. So if this 10a is pi by 4, obviously 10a I can write. This I can write 10x into 1. In place of 1, 10 pi by 4. So that will become this one only, okay? So same with this. After that, just put 10 pi by 4 and then use the identity 10 pi by 4 minus 10a minus b. Okay, 10a minus b, 10 gone. This is your answer.